Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to do the zigzag stitch on sewing machine. Here I select a stitch number 6 and foot number G, that is a special foot for this purpose. Now once machine is ready, it's time to select the material. I'm utilizing here organza fabric. You can use any fabric. Let's go start. In order to start, first we need to fold the fabric. Now hold the fabric from the edge so that it will feed in the machine by itself automatically. Let me show front side. Now I'm putting back the camera to the normal position. For better finishing, we need to hold the fabric throughout the stitch so that we can get nice and fine stitches and check the quality of the work simultaneously. As you can see, I'm continuously checking the quality of a stitch along the stitching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to help. This is the final look of the stitch. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.